Alright, you all know I love coffee. This is Keurig coffee, and what's cool about it is I use Casa Trails, and this is creamy hazelnut. Makes it easy. You pop it in here, voila, it's done. Okay, and what I did this time is I added Pearl Organics soy milk.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
And if you want it cold, it tastes better if it's cold. I keep that in the refrigerator. Let me show you. See, I always have 2 containers in here. Rather inexpensive, and you can see it has an expiration date. You can't see it very well. It says on here, well, it's cryptic. But I have found out it's really designed for like lunches, because you see it's comes with a straw. It tells you on here it's lactose free, gluten free, blah blah. I'll tell you all the details in the front. But what I like about it is it's got too much sugar in it. It's got 11 grams of sugar. But what is good about it is when you put it in your coffee, it works out really nice. It gives you that almost coffee flavor look to it. And it tastes quite good. I'm quite impressed with it. Anyway, it's just a shorty to show you another product review on Kikkoman Pearl Organic Soy Milk Smart Original. Lactose free, gluten free, fortified calcium and vitamins. Okay, thank you. Oh no, we'll just put it on.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.